Hello friends, it's me Narina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with me at home. Friends, today we are here to learn knot making. Friends, what is knot making? How to make it? Friends, many students asked me about this topic. Friends, they have many confusion. I'll clear your confusion in this video, but you have to watch this video till the end. Friends, many times you noticed your teacher asked from you, have you prepared English notes? Maths notes, science notes, notes. How to make it? There is a big question in your mind. Friends, don't worry. Watch it till the end. So first of all, what is knot making? I am telling you, notes making is a helpful skill which helps us in learning and in difficult question. Friends, with the help of notes, lengthy lesson can be condensed into short. Friends, note helps one to remember the gathered information. Notes are very useful for making quick revision before the exam. Friends, now question is arising, how to make notes. Friends, an unseen passage given in the question paper. So friends, what to do? First of all, you have to take intensive reading of the passage. If needed, take reading again. Friends, try to get the theme and subject of the passage. And friends, you have to think, what is this passage about? What is the main idea of the passage? Friends, surely you will know about this by reading the passage, and friends, you have to give a suitable title and write it middle of the page. I will show you how to write it. Friends, not to forget, a title can be a word, phrase or a short sentence. All the words of title begin with a capital letter. Friends, title are mostly found in the beginning. So friends, keep it in your mind. Friends, you can see this is the format of note making. Title is written in the middle. Main heading and subheading are written here. Friends, use proper indentation while note making. Indentation means, friends, you can see leaving some space at beginning. This is indenting. All points should also maintain the same distance away from the margin. Friends, I want to show the indented format. Friends, there are two types of indented format. You can follow this one and you can follow decimal system also. Okay friends, both are correct. It's all about format friends. Friends, you can see this. Friends, more some points to remember for note making. Use proper indentation. As I told you, use abbreviations. Abbreviations means short form of the word. Friends, make your own abbreviations. Friends, while taking notes, you should use at least 5 or 6 abbreviations. Friends, these are essential components for the note making. Friends, it saves the time and space. Often a full stop is put after an abbreviation. But friends, you have to pay attention when taking first few letter of the word, then you have to put full stop. Friends, you can see library. Then taking few letter, LIB here. Full stop is put. Friends, company. CO full stop. So this is abbreviation form. Example, government. Yes, GOVT, taking few letter and last letter, then do not require any full stop. Yes, department. Taking few letter, DEP and last letter T, then do not require any full stop here friends. So friends, let's move forward. Friends, some abbreviating word can be used by capitalizing initial letters. Yes friends, let's see. For example, USA. Friends, for United States of America, MP for Member of Parliament, PM for Prime. Friends, this type of abbreviations you can use while making notes. So friends, you have to use symbols also. Yes friends, symbols, mathematical symbols, universal symbols, mathematical symbols. Friends, you can see this symbol is for greater than, this symbol is for less than, is equal to, this symbol is used for or. Yes friends, for or. Okay. And friends, um, some universal symbols, e, g, this symbol we used for to show the examples. And ie, it means ideast, and exact meaning is that is. Full form is ideast and it means that is. Okay friends, friends, you can see this symbol consists of three dots. This symbol consists of three dots. This symbol is used for therefore. Yes. This symbol also consists of three dots, but this symbol is used for because. Friends, it has difference. You can see it properly. So friends, this type of symbols you can use while making notes. Let's move forward friends. Friends, don't write long sentences when you write heading and main heading. Avoid helping verb, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Friends, don't include your own understanding. Be brief, clear and specific. Now you have to write summary. Friends, your summary should be within the word limit about 80 words. Friends, don't put your opinion and ideas. It should be related with the passage. And friends, use proper grammar, punctuation in the summary. And friends, whatever points you used in main heading and subheading, you can define them in the summary. So friends, let's understand it in better way with an example. Okay friends, you can see this is an unseen passage which has 4 paragraphs. Friends, I have read it already. You can read it. As I told you friends, titles are found mostly in beginning. So I have found my title. The title is The Art of Effective Listening. Now I have underlined main points and written roughly in the side of the page. This is the passage about effective speaking. How can we speak effectively? Now friends, you can see a proper way of note making on the board. Friends, this is the proper way of note making. Title is written in the middle, main heading, and these are subheading. Friends, I have written here 4 main heading. You can see number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. And friends, these are subheading and you can see indenting. Yes friends, leaving some space. You have to use proper indentation. And friends, see 3-point ways for a listener to be more effective. Friends, this is main heading, subheading, and friends 3.1.1, this is subheading. Just I want to tell you have to use proper indentation. Yes, this is the indentation. And friends 3.2, I didn't write here any sentence because here is no space. And just I want to tell friends, if you want to write 3.2, then friends you have to write below the 3.1. Okay friends, this is the proper indenting. Just I want to tell friends, you can see 4th main heading, importance of posture. Friends, I'm not able to write here subheading because here is no space. Friends, you can understand it, same pattern you have to follow. Okay friends, when you are going over, friends, you have to you may recall the full form of the word. You can see list of abbreviation. Friends, I have used here abbreviations. Yes, effective, concentrating. Okay friends, you can see message, received, these are abbreviation. Friends, when you write the full form of the word, then an examiner can understand what is the exact word. Okay friends, it's easy to understand. And friends, you have to write, it is necessary. List of abbreviation, you can see 6 or 7 abbreviations I have used. Friends, now you have to use write summary. Friends, I have told you about the summary, 80 words maximum you have to use. And friends, use proper grammar, punctuations. And friends, I have no space, that's why I couldn't write here, and you can see on the screen. Friends, it's all about note making. Friends, if you learned something from this video, then you can comment, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.